In this video, we discuss 4 problems on COVID-19. We solve them by using the concept of probability. A group of patients received their report of COVID-19 from the lab. The report shows 3 patients have positive while 7 have negative report. 3 patients are selected at random for quarantine. Find the probability that first, 1 positive and 2 negative patients are selected. Second, all selected have positive report. Third, all selected have negative report.
In this problem, it is given that 3 persons have positive report of COVID-19 and 7 persons have negative report of COVID-19. We have to choose 3 persons and we have to find the probabilities in 3 cases. So first we have total persons. This is 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10. We have to choose 3 persons out of total 10 persons. So the number of ways of choosing 3 persons out of 10 persons, this is can C3, that will be equal to 120. So there are 3 cases now. In the first case, we have to choose 1 person which have positive report and 2 persons which have negative report. So the required number of ways in which 1 person should be chosen out of 3 persons. So the number of ways are 3C1, and 2 persons should be chosen out of 7 persons which have negative report. So the number of ways are 7C2, and the total number of ways will be 3C1 into 7C2. So after solving, we get this is 3 into this will be equal to 21, that is equal to 63. So the probability, the required probability, the probability of choosing 1 person which have positive report and 2 persons which have negative report, this will be equal to, this is 63 upon total number of ways are 120. We can write this as equal to 21 upon 40. Okay. Now in second case, we have to find all persons which have positive reports. So the number of ways of choosing all persons which have positive report, with positive report, this is equal to, so now we have to choose from 3 persons. So the number of ways will be 3C3, that will be equal to 1. So the required probability in this case, this is equal to 1 upon the total number of ways are 120. So this is the probability in this case. In the third case, we have to choose 3 persons which have negative report. That is, we have to choose all persons which have negative report. So the number of ways in this case, we have to choose these 3 persons from 7 persons which have negative reports. So the number of ways are 7C3. This will be equal to 35. The required probability in this case, this is 35 upon total number of ways are 120, and after solving we can find this is 7 upon 24. So this is the probability when we have to find that all persons should have negative report. So these are the 3 cases in which, in the first case, we choose 1 person which have positive report and 2 persons which have negative report. In the second case, we choose all persons which have positive report. In the third case, we choose all persons which have negative report.
There are 6 vegetable shops, 4 fruit shops, and 3 milk shops in a market. During lockdown, the administration wants to open only 3 shops on a particular day. What is the probability that the opened shops are of different items? The opened shops are of same item.
So in this problem, it is given that there are 6 vegetable shops, 4 fruit shops, and 3 milk shops. So the administration want to open only 3 shops on a particular day. So the total shops are 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13. So we have to find the number of ways in which 3 shops can be opened out of 13 shops. So the number of ways of opening 3 shops. This is 13C3. Out of 13, you have to choose 3 shops. So the number of ways are 13C3. After calculating, we can get this is equal to 286. So now in the first part, it is asked that the administration want to open only 3 shops and each shop should be of different items. So the number of ways of opening 3 shops of different items, that is equal to, since there are 6 vegetable shops, so and you have to open only 3 shops of different items, so 1 shop should be chosen from the 6 shops, and the number of ways of choosing 1 shop from out of 4 fruit shops, this is 4C1, and the number of ways of choosing 3 shops out of milk shops, this is 3C1. So the total number of ways will be 6C1 into 3C1 into 4C1. That will be 6 into 4 into 3, and that is equal to 72. So the probability of opening 3 shops of different items, that is 72 upon 286, and after calculating we can get this will be equal to 0.252. So we can find the probability of opening 3 shops of different items. Similarly, we want to find the probability of opening 3 shops of same items. So there are 3 ways. The first way is we can open 3 vegetable shops, or we can open 3 fruit shops, or we can open 3 milk shops. So the number of ways of opening 3 shops of same item, this will be equal to, this is 6C3, or the second option is 4C3 and the third option is 3C3. The total number of ways will be 6C3 plus 4C3 plus 3C3. After calculating, we can find this is equal to 20 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 25. So the probability of opening 3 shops of same item, this is equal to 25 upon the total number of ways are 286, and after calculating we can find this is 0.087. So this is the probability of opening 3 shops of same item, 0.087.
In a city, 2% of the population have severe symptoms of coronavirus, 10% have mild symptoms, while 88% have no symptoms at all. The health department started testing. The probability of testing positive for the persons having severe symptoms is 9 by 10, for those having mild symptoms is 6 by 10, and 1 by 10 for those having no symptoms. A man X is tested positive. What is the probability that X has severe symptoms?
In this problem, it is given that 2% of the population having severe symptoms, and the probability of getting positive for this population is 9 by 10. 10% of the population having mild symptoms, and the probability of tested positive is 6 by 10. 88% population have no symptom, and the probability of tested positive is 1 by 10. There is a person X, we have to find the probability that X tested positive when it has severe symptoms. So we suppose that let A1 be the event in which the person X having serious symptoms. Let A2 be the event in which a person X having mild symptoms. And A3 be the event in which the person X having no symptoms. Also, let B be the event in which the person X test is positive. It is given that the probability of A1, that is the person having several symptoms, is 2%. So the probability of A1 is 2/100, that is 0.02. The probability of A2, so A2, there are 10% persons, so the probability is 10/100, that is 0.1. And similarly A3, the probability of A3 is, this is 88/100, that is 0.88. Now it is given that the probability of a person test is positive when it has several symptoms. This is 9/10. So this will be B/A1. That is the probability of a person test is positive when it has several symptoms. This is given 9/10, that is 0.9. Similarly, the probability of B/A2, that is the person is test is positive, the person X test is positive when it has mild symptoms. This is 6/10, that is 0.6. And similarly B/A3, this is given that 1/10, that is 0.1. Now we find the total probability of B, that is the probability of a person X test is positive. So this will be equal to B/A1 into PA1 plus B/A2 into PA2 plus B/A3 into PA3. Now we put all the values. B/A1, this is 0.9 into PA1 0.02 plus B/A2 0.6 into PA2 0.1 plus B/A3 0.1 into PA3 0.88. So we calculate this and we get 0.166. Now we have to find the probability of a person test is positive. That is, you have to find the probability of a person X has several symptoms and it tests positive. So by using Bayes theorem, we can write this PA1/B, this is equal to PB/A1 into PA1/PB, where PB is PB/A1 into PA1 plus BE/A2 into PA2 plus BB/A3 into PA3, and we calculated this 0.166. So now we have PB/A1, this is 0.9 into PA1 0.02 upon PB, we calculated 0.166, and after calculating we get 0.108. This is the probability of a person having several symptoms and it test is positive. So we are using here Bayes theorem. So by using Bayes theorem, the probability of A1/B, this is 0.108.
25 migrant workers have to be sent to their place by bus. 5 workers infected with coronavirus are accidentally mixed with the remaining healthy, not infected workers. It is not possible to just look at a worker and tell whether he is infected or not. One worker is taken out from the bus. What is the probability that the worker is healthy?
So in this problem, it is given that there are total 25 migrant workers who needs to be sent by bus. There are 5 workers which are infected and the remaining 20 workers are non-infected. So we have to choose one worker from this whole 25 workers and it should be non-infected. So the number of ways of choosing one worker out of 25 workers is 25 C1, that is equal to 25. So now we have to choose one worker which should be non-infected. That is, we have to choose the worker from the remaining 20 non-infected workers. So the number of ways of choosing non-infected worker that should be 20C1, because we have to choose one worker from 20 workers. So that is equal to 20C1. This should be equal to 20. So the probability of choosing one worker which is non-infected. Probability of choosing non-infected worker. So this will be equal to this 20C1 upon 25C1. That is 20 upon 25. This will be equal to 4 by 5. Okay. This is the probability of choosing one worker which is non-infected.